bit.
I went up to 40. Come on.
That's the best part about it.
Ferrari?
Bids on it, bro.
It went like 45. I actually went up for like 70.
No way.
It was just the front a little more. Yeah, it was.
We did like last minute, but like, Jerry hit me up and said, you want to go? And I was like, yeah, I'm ready to go to work. I was like, fucking 5:30.
All right, back from the morning meet. We are going to install this today. Table wise, I still need to work on it. Clear door is coming along. So I got it molded. Just got to trim it. So I still need to work on that, but we are getting there. Then we'll rivet it on, get that ready. And then I have the TRD door cover. So we got this from Lexus project. So we'll have to install that. So we have this set up. These tables are actually for the Lexus, but I'm gonna remake my own back tables. I got this board here to make my cover for the back trunk. So I got all my templates cut for the engine bay, for the trunk here with cardboards. So basically all this is my little work area. I got the table air vents that I'm got a fiberglass and mold for the engine bay cover. But for now we're gonna put this on, and then I have my, where did I put it? Oops. And then we have VIP door chromes, or the door lock. So we'll see. Maybe we'll put these on today. I gotta just take each door off. But I might make a separate video for this just because I don't want to rush it. So I'm just gonna put this in here. And it was nice. I got to FaceTime with Randy from Eliminate and catch up. So it was nice talking to him. So good talking to you, brother. And we'll go ahead and get started. Yep, but actually, before we go, let me wipe down the bumper and get this prepped. So the homie YFA boy hit me up. He was chilling at Randy's place, and he's like, bro, do you have the 240? Like, yeah, it's in front of the house. He's like, I'm over at Randy's house, bro. He's like, let me FaceTime so you can say what's up to Randy. And I was like, all right, hell yeah. So talked to Randy. Haven't talked to him since, shit, I think the last time I talked to him was actually when I was going to sell the 240 because I got in some money issues. I was trying to clear some debt for correction. And yeah, so that's like the last time I talked to Randy. But he was happy I didn't sell the car. And, you know, everything is still good. So it was nice catching up, and I got to talk to Andrew and say hi to him, so that was cool. Yeah, so we're going to put on the Lexus. Is it covered? For the rear. It's crazy how it fits perfect. I'm tripping over that. So measurement, this is actually straight. So I'm gonna line up. Oops. I'm gonna line up this latch for the trunk with the middle between the X and the Lexus. if anyone wants to do this swap, this is from a RX400h I got from the junkyard. If you see on these, there is a line here, so it kind of tells you the middle where it needs to be placed. So it's right here on this plastic piece. It is just double-sided tape. Ran out of Gorilla 60 pounds, so I just put regular 3M as well. But we're going to line it up with this center hook for the latch, and that'll be the installation part, and then we'll just press it all down, lock it in, and then we have our Lexus bumper guard. And then when I get my body kit, I'll be taking this off, or I'll just buy another one, and then put it on the body kit. But yeah, it's freaking crazy how it fits. It's funny. This is such a trip. Peel everything off. Get this fitted on. And yeah, with this morning or last night, I went to a Bollywood party on a yacht in San Francisco. Never been on a yacht, and that was a very fun experience. Middle Eastern people know how to freaking party. That was fun. Like, I want to go back again. So next time they have it, I will have to do a live stream and show everybody, because it was a 3-story yacht. We just got drinks. We didn't eat nothing there. But well, I didn't drink because I don't drink. Wife drank. It was just, I had Coke and water. So, hey, I gotta get my nails. I can't get this. Pull these off. Let me get these off, and then we'll slap this bad boy on and finish the video. Alright, lining up.
I've been heading down a one-way street, can't turn around. You've been taking every part of me, now you know where to be found. You got me confused a little.